Today is day two of my learning English speaking in front of camera. So if I'm doing any mistake, any grammatical mistake, any communication mistake, please comment me. And hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel GSR, in which I will told about earlier that I will start the series in which I will learning speaking English speaking communication in front of you. But yesterday I was not available to record this video because I am not able to walk to record the videos. So today is day two. So if I'm doing any mistake, any grammatical mistake, any communication mistake, please comment me and I will improve my English. So let's start. So as you know that every day I will come in front of you to learning in my English speaking. So today is my topic about ourselves is how to get focus. Why focus is important for every successful person, because if you are focused, then you are get any you achieve anything in your life, because focus is most important part of your human brain. Okay, if you get focus, if you get success like that, uh, you want to focus in your life. But if you have two option, you have two aim like that. First your aim is I want to be a doctor. If you think that if I am not being a doctor, then I have a option two, second option. If you have a second option, then your focus has been diverted in two parts, option one and option two. If you are option two, so one your option two, only make only one option. If you have only one option of your future and career, then you get success in your life as soon as possible. Because if you have only one option, then you are focused in one thing. Okay, then you are focused in one thing, and you get more chances to be success. So the best thing has been that I will learn from Napoleon Hills. Hills once said that he said that if you have two option, then burn your one option. Because if you have burn your one option, then if you look back, then you will fear. Then you focus. Then you think I have only one option, and then you focus in your one option. So it's my day two. So if I'm doing any mistake in my English, grammatical mistake, vocabulary mistake, pronunciation mistake, please comment me. So I which type of mistake I am done. So I will improve my English day by day. Is day two. Um, as soon as I'm trying to give my best in my English, so please support me. If you are not subscribed in my channel, please subscribe, subscribe and share in my channel, and subscribe, and also meet me tomorrow, and have a good day. Bye.